Today, I am going to show you how you can create Stickman animations for absolutely free. These type of videos are going viral right now and creators are gaining millions of views and subscribers just by using this simple style. So, if you want to grow your channel fast, stick around because we're getting started right now. First of all, head over to Claude, click on the plus icon and upload this MD file. Now, write your story in a short format, just like I did. Then, mention how many scenes you want. For example, I typed scenes 8. After that, click on generate. Claude will generate detailed prompts for image generation, image to video generation, and a complete voiceover script. Now, let's start creating the images. We're going to use Flow AI. Simply click on new project, then select image generation. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and select Nano Banana Pro as the model. As you can see, it costs 0 credits, which means you can create unlimited images. Next, go back to Claude, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click generate. Once the image is ready, click the plus icon and add that image as a reference. Then copy the second image prompt from Claude, paste it into Flow AI, and click generate again. You'll notice that the character stays consistent in every image. Repeat the same process until you've generated all the images, then download them. To create the videos, click on Scenes, then select Video with the 16:9 aspect ratio. Choose VO 3.1 Lite as the model. It costs 10 credits per generation and you get 50 free credits every day. Upload the first image, then copy the video generation prompt from Claude and paste it into the prompt box. Click generate. If you run out of credits, you can use Google Vids instead. Simply sign in with your Google account, click on VO and select Animate Image. Make sure VO 3.1 is selected. Set the aspect ratio to landscape, paste the video generation prompt, upload the image and click generate. Once the video is ready, click insert. Then open the drop-down menu and download the video. Repeat the same process for all the remaining images. Alternatively, you can also use One AI, Kling or Gemini to generate videos using their free credits. To generate the voiceover, I am going to use Minimax Audio, which gives you 10,000 free credits every month. Click on Text to Speech, then click Switch Voice. Open the filter, select a male voice and choose any voice you like. Now go back to Claude, scroll down, copy the voiceover script and paste it into Minimax Audio. Finally, click generate, then download the audio. Now, import all the video clips and the voiceover into your favorite video editor, adjust the timing, and your Stickman animation video is ready.
Our hero starts just like any other day, walking along, minding his own business, not a care in the world. Then, from out of nowhere, a giant red button drops from the sky, and attached to it, a sign, a very clear sign. Do not touch. Now, any sensible person would keep walking. But our guy, he's already staring at it, already leaning in, already thinking, what's the worst that could happen? He presses it. Of course he presses it. Instantly, alarms, blast, lights, flash, and from off in the distance, a rumble. A very, very large rumble. A boulder the size of a small house comes barreling toward him at full speed. He runs, he screams, he runs some more, but somehow, against all odds, he pulls off the most spectacular flip you've ever seen, launches himself over the boulder, and lands on the other side. Safe. Alive. Barely. Does he learn his lesson? Absolutely not. He marches right back to that button, fuming, and gives it the most powerful kick of his life. The button sinks into the ground. He crosses his arms. He smirks. He thinks he's won. He has not won. A shadow, a very large shadow, falling from above, 10 tons of iron later. Our friend is now considerably flatter than before, and floating beside him, that little sign still swinging gently reads, "I told you so."